Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily check your Instagram insights in edits. Go to the analytics icon onto the bottom right in the toolbar and it takes you to insights. From here you can see in details the performance of your Instagram account based on the performance of each reels. You can add how you see these information from 30 days to 60, 14 or 7 days. Edits also allow you to take a look at all the reels you've uploaded to your Instagram, and you can view the number of likes, comments, views you've received, shares and saves, and go back up and go to the comments to see the comments your audience left on each video and also how long ago these comments were made, and you can see a lot more data as you'd want. This is really efficient if you wish to not open the Instagram app, because Instagram houses these features right here in edits.